Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's topic is difference between do, does and did. Do is used in present tense and the subject with which we use do include I, you, they and we. Now let's look at some of the examples to have a clear understanding of do. Do you want a burger? I do exercise daily. Always do good to others. Do they want to play with us? So you see how do is used with you, I, they and we. Next is does. Does is used in present tense and the subjects with which does is used include he, she and it. Let's look at some of the example to have a clear understanding of does. Does it hurt? Alex always does his homework on time. She does yoga every day. And lastly, did. Did is used in past tense and used in interrogative sentences. The subjects with which we use did include I, you, they, we, he, she and it. Now let's have a look at some of the examples. You did a great job. Did anyone pass their test? He did it all wrong. She did not like you. So you see how it is used with all these subjects. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe for more.